everybody, I'm Kim, and today I'm going to introduce you to our A7 card base and layering die set number 2. So what is an A7 card base? An A7 card is a 5x7 card base. So our card base measures 7 by 10 inches. So of course when you fold it, it'll create a 5x7 card base. And then it comes with 2 sets of layering dies. So for set number 2, you're going to get a stitched outline, and then of course you've got your crease in the center, which creates a score line, so it's already ready for you to fold. And then the top set would be a torn look. The bottom set would be a torn look with a stitched line to give it a little extra pizzazz. And of course you can mix and match. Now, because this is a large format die, you do need the large format base and plates to run that through your machine. So no small die cut machines allowed on this one. I already cut out both sets and our base, so I'm going to bring that up close so you can see the lovely stitching line right here. Our score line is already prepared, so I'm just going to fold that and then crease with my Teflon bone folder. And then you can apply this way, you can apply that way, so vertical or horizontal, however you want to do that. Let's take a look at the top layering set, and that is just a wonderfully neat torn look. And of course these are pre-measured 1/4 inch apart, so it makes it very easy, no measuring involved, which we love that. So we'll adhere that in just a minute. And then the second one is the same torn look, but it's got a stitched effect on there. So it just gives it a little something, something, a little extra. So let's go ahead and apply these down so you can take a look at what that already looks like. And of course, pre-measured makes it very simple and a quick and easy way to do your cards and your bases. And then this can also go on card base number 1 as well. So you can see these are already pre-measured and done, and then they will lay out beautifully on your card, horizontal or vertical. And then you can always do one layer with a stitched look and one layered without a stitched look. So you can mix it up a little bit. All right. That is how you use A7 card base and layering die number 2 for your 5x7 card. All right, enjoy.